sounds mad. You got shook. Oh, that corner, oh, fucked it. Oh my god. That blew. It's close, isn't it? Shagged it, shagged it, shagged it. I don't even want to fuck about with this scooter because it's so powerful. I think I need it in a faster setting. So, oi! Oh shit, that's how you pop. Right, I'm going to show you one of the new cycle routes I have just discovered. So I've told you, got the dinger, got the ding dong for a minute, got a little hoop, red. Cycle route, the little blue routes, how it fell with a photo. Can't always throttle, you gotta know how to tell the throttle. Doing alright again. Got the hazard lights on. Hopefully, my hat doesn't fly off my head again like it did. So this will be, I've got a little, literally tiptoe on one of them. You're cool, you cunt. Oh. Hey, that loud is potent. That loud is potent. Oh my days, that loud is louding. If any one of these cyclists make me right off, the way I'm gonna bang them. I haven't got a belly. I ain't got no nothing. Whey! See if I can do a wheelie. See if I can do a little wheelie. Hold on. This is scary. I don't really do. Hey, I got a little 2-second airtime. That's enough. That's enough. Hey, that loud is louding. So you call them ganjas. eyes literally watering right now. My eyes literally watering. Big man trying to keep up, bye. Big man trying to keep up. Can't keep up. Bye! Yeah. Ah. Right, you look nice. Nah, that is fucking fast. Look, you can't catch up, man. You can't catch up, man. I'm in eco as well. You probably thinks I'm shook, but I'm not. Look, you still can't catch up. Still can't catch up. There he is. Later. Put it in the turbo. Love, big man. Oh shit. Bowlers, Millwall Cash. No, no, haven't chewed this, man. Ah, love. Oh shit! Ah. That is mad. That is crazy. That is fucking mad. That is mad. You don't even know what I can feel. Yeah, man, as I roll you there on, bomb buck like that. Fam, gotta wake you up. Oh shit! Oh shit! I'm crying my eyes out. I think it's only right I get the drone and I just get a drone footage. I think it's only right. What's down there? Paddle box. I think it's only right. Now this is where we go into eco mode, just so we can maneuver. High curb. I think I saw a shop here earlier, but I'm acting like I don't. I never used to have a girl that used to live down there, so yeah. Lovely clothes. If it was Angel Town, I have to put it in X. I have to keep it in X. The biggest car can't control it. No, I need a run. No, you're good, brother. Love, brother. I need a run. Look at the gap. That's not even with the turbo act. I need a run. ASAP. That's not even with the turbo. Brody, I'm literally holding on for my dear life. I need a run ASAP. Hey, this is like, the get up on this is mad. Oh, this is too bumpy, this is too rocky, too bumpy, too bumpy. You see what I mean, gang? It's too rocky. Man, it's too bumpy around there. Yes, big man, you're coming like you love, man. Yeah, man, I watch me like you love, man. I love, man. Oh, you look nice, rascal. Your daughter as well, you know. There ya, there ya. Gotta take it to the extreme. Yo, look out, look out, look out, look out, look out, right. Oh. Oh, shit. This feels lower, fam, like man can just go straight over there, like, this feels much slower, like they changed up the road and that. Feels fucking lower. Big time feels lower. Big time. I wanna put this thing in eco before I write off. You don't want those side don't pull off fast. But you gotta be observant, because you see in London, fam, you don't wanna get caught lacking by the jakes. Especially you got license, you don't wanna have to be active to come move in both directions, you get me? To be able to have to keep it active. So lovely. So lovely.